Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. It is another day in which to excel. I am back with another video. This afternoon, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk around of this 2022 Toyota Highlander XLE. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Highlander XLE. I'm going to jump inside the car. I'm going to start the engine as well as pop the hood and show underneath the engine bay. And throughout the video, I will show you how everything works inside the SUV, including the headlights as well as the hazard lights throughout the documentary. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the engine and let it run. The vehicle does have a smart key access system. I have the key fob in my pocket with me. As you can see, the vehicle is unlocked. All you do, tap the button to lock it, and then after wait a second, if you put your hand behind the door handle, and it unlocks the vehicle. It's a gray exterior. With beige leather interior, power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. The Highlander does have a push-button ignition. All you do is just get the key fob in the cup holder, and then you press the brake. You put your foot on the brake, and hit the button to start the engine. Nice. It's got a 3-spoke rotary steering wheel. Very extremely smooth power steering. Coming to your transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability, with a plus and minus on the shifter. Not bad. Perfect. So, let's go turn on the headlights. The headlights are automatic. Fog lights. Also the hazards. Both the front windows are automatic in the Highlander. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Here's your Michelin tires. They are 19-inch wheels. Exhaust. Locks in place, with the fuel cap. Let's pop the hood. Under the hood, you will find it's a V6 6-cylinder engine. Over here, you have your tachometer, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and your temperature gauge, and your driver info system. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM FM radio with Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone automatic climate control, your temperature, fan speed, different zones, rear climate, auto recycling, different zones, front defrost, rear defrost, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and the passenger. This is the menu screen. You can go to telephone. There's no Bluetooth, so you can go to mobile apps. That's pretty cool. Protection. You can go to information about the vehicle. And then you can change settings. You can go to general, go to Wi-Fi, vehicle voice command. You do have your USB port and your power outlet down here too. Cup holders. The parking brake is electronic. Sport, normal, eco mode. This is the drive mode selection. Traction control off button, snow mode. Nice center console, you can charge your phone, that's pretty cool. Storage, and you also do have another 12-volt power outlet down here too. One-touch automatic sunroof. Nice. sunglass container, interior map lights, auto dimming with a mirror, garage home link, perfect. It does have rear fog lights as well. Storage cubby down there. Power mirrors. Power locks. Lock window switch. Power windows. And right to the steering wheel, it does have bowstring extensions off to the side. The steering was weather wrapped. This is your menu selection, menu controls on the steering wheel, voice command, Bluetooth telephone controls, volume controls on the steering wheel, and you do have your cruise control. To the left, turn signals. To the right, you do have your windshield wipers, high speed, low speed, and this is the wheel wiper. Nice. And this car has 110 miles on it. And let's go ahead and shut down the Highlander. Don't forget to grab the key. And don't forget to mention, this car was made in October of 2021. So this is an early 2022. Let's go check out the back seat. Rear sunshade. And back here too. More cup holders. Armrest. Double seat in the back. Interior rear map lights. Rear climate, do my pockets, 2 USBs, 2 power outlets, I think, storage down there, and don't forget as well, you also do have a manual tilt wheel, which is not telescopic. Now let's go open the trunk and see how it does. To fold down the rear seats, you can press this one too. You can see That's a lot of cargo room for the Highlander. And you could pull this up too. Heated exterior mirrors, turn signal mirrors, power locks, power passenger seats, power passenger seat, don't forget to mention this car has Apple CarPlay too. Good size glove box. What a great, fantastic vehicle. Well, guys, hope you guys watched my in-depth review and walk around look of this 2022 Toyota Highlander XLE. Make sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you like this video. This is Angel's Car Reviews signing off. Please take care and goodbye.